Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the Flash 4 or 5 effect. I'm not too familiar with Roman numerals. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects, Video Effects, Light Effect, and then you'll be able to find the Flash 4 or 5 effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. And then once you have it there, it's going to be the entirety of the clip, or what you can do is also grab it and put it on top of the clip, whatever is easier for you guys. Now with the effect being selected, we're going to go up to the special effects tab and we can mess with the glow and the speed of the effect, right? So let's take a look. That's a little too much, so let's take it down a little bit lower. That's a crazy effect. Wow. Well, anyways, guys, if this was helpful, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.